see that right there? It's an early one, and it will be a long one. But it's travel day! Let's go!
Flying out of Jacksonville because it's a super chill airport. Like, I know it's like 5 in the morning, so it's probably chill everywhere, but Jacksonville airport is especially chill as far as airport goes. Are you excited?
I'm looking forward to it.
Are you awake?
More or less.
I'm really excited.
Leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray.
Oh, look at this little pussy mural. That's really cute. Welcome to Atlanta. But this is not our final destination. But this is our final destination. Do you see that? What that says? Oh yeah, we're going to Hawaii, baby. I knew. Aloha! This airport is kind of crazy. Like, it's like regular, like how an airport would normally look, and then you look over and oh, it's open air. Feel that Hawaiian breeze, soak it in, even on your very first steps. All right, we got a rental car and we're on our way to part 1 of our trip. Matt's the driver. Take us onward. Making a quick pick stop here at Walmart because it's only 15 minutes from the airport and 15 minutes away from where we're going. So why not grab a few groceries? Everything's kind of the same, but like kind of different. Like candy aisle especially, like pineapple candy. Okay, I expect that in Hawaii. What is that? What's a leaf?
Yeah,
I don't
like
know.
a packet of seasoning for your candy.
This is a new thing. I don't know about this.
There's like Asian style candies and things like that. Yeah, it's very different. Like overall, it feels like a Walmart, except smaller and much tighter layout. And they play like, well, right now they're not. They're playing
Right now they're playing Santana.
Santana and Rob Thomas, but they were playing like ukulele music. But
Give me your coconut candy, or else give me some chimes. Oh, didn't know you were recording me doing it.
perfect.
Check this out. These are like the little cookies that they give us on Delta flights, the Biscoff, but it's like cookie butter. I've never seen this before. I just ate one of these today, and it was delicious. I recommend it if you're flying Delta. Whoa, the waterfall's really cool. There's the sign, Aulani. Man, this is like the prettiest view from a parking garage ever. Look at that. And look at where we are. This is amazing. And in case you don't know where we are at Aulani, Disney's resort in Hawaii. And we're gonna be here for 4 nights. And this is the start of our Hawaii trip, and it's gonna be awesome. Oh my gosh! This is amazing! Look at the roof! Look at the windows! Look at everything! Oh my gosh, look at this lobby! This is beautiful! Okay, I think we're just gonna stay. This is where we live now. If you need to find the Hoffmans, come to Honolulu Airport, drive to Aulani. You'll find us here, because that's just where we're gonna be from now on. Holy cow, this place is incredible. Check it out. We got our room key, and we got our pin with Duffy. It's official. We super scored with our room. First of all, we're supposed to just have a garden view room, and we can see the ocean. Okay, it's not an ocean view room, but like we get like some ocean in our view, which is amazing and lucky. But also too, see all this hoopla going on down there? That hoopla is the luau. The luau that is on resort that we are going to tomorrow. We can see it from our balcony. Balcony luau. That's so fun! Look, that's right there. Is the main stage where they're gonna be doing everything. And we can see it pretty well. So we get a little taste of what we have to look forward to. And I'm so thrilled with our view. This is awesome. We've been kind of getting ourselves settled in here, and we have our first look at some Aulani night aesthetic. Let's go downstairs and find some more night aesthetic and get some grub. We're gonna have our first Aulani meal here at the Ulu Cafe. Basically, this is like kind of like a quick serve, grab and go kind of menu, but they do have like hot things that you can get for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then they have like a special pizza of the day, because they do have like where you can create your own pizza and like get some like pre-made pizzas and stuff like that. Lots and lots of drinks. Holy cow, a ton of water. But then like grab and go like salads and that kind of stuff, drinks. Oh, they also have like a lot of pastry items like bagels, cinnamon rolls, muffins, that kind of stuff, as well as cereal, fresh fruit, and more fresh fruit. And look, right there is a Dole Whip machine, because they sell Dole Whip here. And check it out, they have refillable mugs that you can get here, and it says Aulani on it. How cute! But check it out, it's only $22.95, and you get free refills for your whole stay, no matter how long your stay is, which I found pretty interesting and is kind of a good deal, especially if you're here for a long time. Pardon the lighting. This is a very dark resort, but with a little ingenuity and flashlight action, chicken fingers and pizza, like real Hawaiians. This resort is absolutely beautiful at night. I don't know how much it's going to translate via camera because it's very, very dark.
It is quite dark. Funny thing is, you know, we've done those awake for 24 hours on a cruise ship. Like, I'm about 33, not even that much, from 24 hours awake today.
Minutes?
Because it is, yeah, it's almost 3:30 a.m. back home. It's 9:30 p.m. here, so not that late, but 3:30 a.m. back home, and we got up between 3:30 and 4. So,
well,
yeah,
you win.
Unintentional 24-hour challenge.
Complete.
Yeah.
Hawaiian style. Look at those light up quarters. That's some great night aesthetic. Trademark. Hoffman Happy Travels. Aloha edition.
Well, super busy day comes to an end after 24 hours. But we're here now.
The unintentional 24-hour challenge. But even though it was a crazy busy day and we were traveling for most of it, still a great day. I kind of still can't believe that we're here. I mean, I feel like it's gonna click in tomorrow when we're not deliriously tired.
Yes, so we'll see you back then. For tomorrow, our first full day here at Aulani, a Disney resort. That's right, this is the only place where they put like the name before. Usually it's like Disney's Coronado Springs, Disney's Grand Floridian. Aulani, a Disney resort kind of thing.
That just shows how special it is.
So,
and we're gonna have a especially spectacular time. Also too, my whole side of the family is like here on this vacation, including our nieces, and it's my uncle's 70th birthday and stuff, so like the fam is here, which is also why we are doing the outro over by the elevators, because we don't want to wake anybody up because they're all tired too. And I'm just really excited to experience Aulani with them and check out the resort tomorrow, and it's gonna be a great day.
So we hope we'll see you back then, but until then, we're gonna sign off for tonight. Happy travels.